Good morning, everyone. I know the lighting really sucks. Whatever. So I'm out here in the catio right now, and we got Luna sleeping in the little bed, and little orange kitty over there in a bed, and a gray kitty under there. So we have the other two fluff twins, which is actually about to be fluff triplets. Their sibling is coming, so I have to clean this cat tower out for him so he can be in quarantine. I know it's been a minute since I've posted, so, but some updates on the animals. We're gonna do that today. We're gonna see the ferrets and all the cats and the dog and talk about everything. So, but first, I gotta get this area cleaned out. I put like a community bowl. Let me turn the camera around. So right there, I put out like a community cat food bowl because that's gonna help them, you know, all eat together and get along better and everything. And actually, the cats have been getting along pretty decent. There's Luna. Let's see. That over there is Calypso. And that right there, his name is now Blaze. We changed his name to Blaze. And then this kitty right here, that's Ashes. Hi, babies. And then, I think Camellia is right over there. Yep, that's Camellia. Hi, babies. What are you doing? So yeah, I just have to clean out all the litter boxes. I got all their blankets out, got the heater on. That's where Blaze is laying in front of the heater right now. We got them some new scratch posts in here. Gotta clean this out today, get that ready. I had opened this up so they can come out and everything. Got some new scratch posts, got some toys, their water dishes, their food, got pillows and blankies and scratch stuff. So, and they got plenty of chairs, and I gotta buy some more dirt to put in all of these flower beds here because they like to poop in these as well. So I gotta buy more soil, more pellet litter, and so yeah. So as soon as I get this all done up, we'll do an animal update. Everybody's eating so nicely. Fluff twins. Oh. She's enjoying her new cat tower. There, she's rubbing her face all over it. Molly! I wonder if they put catnip in those toys. Jeez.
Probably. I think she's climbing up.
Mm-hmm. Molly. That bushy tail.
Fish, here you go.
Super. What's he doing? Super. Super. Super.
Knock, knock.
What are you doing?
Something in a press
Look at
kit.
this. Look at this crazy cat. Julian.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Careful, don't get scratched. Crazy things.
Yes, we got free hoverboards.
Hey, watch out for Pope. He's right behind you.
We got free hoverboards. We really don't.
No. Here's Ghost. Ghosty. Aw, you and your big blue eyes. He's got scabs on his tail because he attacks his tail. He's extremely crazy. I bought him some calming treats, but they don't seem to be working very well. So here's the mama kitty to the Fluff twins. And we think she is pregnant because her belly is big. Hi, mama. Hi, baby girl. She's very scared. And she ate a little bit of her wet food, but hasn't touched her other food because I moved her inside, so she's not quite comfortable in here just yet. And she does have another story she can come here and lay on, but just trying to acclimate her for right now and get her used to us, and then she can start to roam around the room. But if I let her out now, she'll hide in the bed, and she'll never get used to human interaction and attention. Hi, baby girl. Look at how beautiful. She's a beautiful, beautiful kitty. Her name is Chloe. She is so pretty. Look who has joined us this morning. Hello. She's got some little wormies in here. Look at her little wormies. She only comes out every once in a while to eat.
Why?
Julian!
No, stay put, Julian.
Here's a Gizmo kitty. Gizmo. And Shiloh. And the fish are still good and in there, but I'm going to do a separate video on them because I'm going to redo all that and do their water and all that goodness. And got Redbone. Redbone.
Hi.
Hello to Julian. Got a Molly. 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 Hi, kitty. And fairy berries. And the Pope. Oh, Pope just got neutered, so that's why he has a coat on. And he's got something going on with his lips, but he's taking medicine for all that. So hopefully all that goes away. And we're trying to start a fire. fresh dirt in all of these flower beds. So I already know it's going to party for the kitties because they got all fresh dirt. Oh, Popo! Woo! Alright, so they will all more than likely be having a blast, and I'm pretty sure dirt is going to be spilled all over the place when I wake up in the morning. It'll be fabulous. Right, Pope? Yeah. Shiloh's out there. Let's go to the bathroom. Pope, what are you doing? It's starting. What do you think? What do you think? Ooh. All right, let's go find sunspots. So sunspots, this is her water that I spray in there on her wet side, but she is in brumation right now and she only comes out to eat vigorously and then she goes back in there. So she's sleeping in there somewhere. Go on looking all beautiful.
Cats.
Lunatic. Lunatic. What are you doing? And got our lights. Oh, Surper got out. That's always fun. Look at our beautiful lights. Ooh. Surper. Oh.
Watch Gizmo. Gizmo? Ouch! Jeez. Okay, let's do that. Let's see what the claws and chompers there.
Hmm.
Gross.
Ooh. Surper eat meat?
No, he doesn't like the lunch meat. Well, he's interested in it, but he just won't eat it. Luna?
Shiloh, that was rude. She thought she wanted the whole piece.
Gizmo? Ow! Ow! Ghost. And that's for Ghost. Come on. Oh, jeez! Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. Look at this winter wonderland. Oh my goodness. Shiloh has never been out in the snow. Shiloh, come. Shiloh. Come on. Shiloh, come. Come. She's scared. Come. Shiloh, come. Oh my goodness. There she goes. Ah! Holy cow. Oh. Oh. Look at her go. Oh my goodness. Look at that giant sausage running through the snow. Wow. Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh my god. Look at it. Ah, this camera is just not doing this any justice. Like, this just looks, oh my god. Look at the, just look. Oh, look at my bike. What the heck? Shadow. Wow. Look. It is just so pretty. I can't believe this. We're in Virginia Beach. We got snow in Virginia. Got snow in the beach. Where are you? Shadow. Oh, this is so awesome. It's so beautiful. Wow. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, crazy. Did you go potty? Did she go potty? She got it all in her mouth. What are you doing? Woo! Well, there goes my plant. Oh, wow. It's so pretty. Oh, this is so beautiful. Just got the kitties fed. Oh! Got them fed. I gotta clean that out. That's where I put all their wet food in there so they can eat together. Got their heater going with all their beds. And of course they're all hiding from me. There's Calypso. Hi, kitty. Hi. Oh, and Camellia. Jeez, Popo. What are you doing? What are you doing, kitties? Oh. Took the mama kitty out of here, brought her inside. She did not like that. I think she likes it out here a lot better. But we have her other son that's coming, and we have another mama kitty that's about to give birth. Well, sometime soon. Gonna put the other sibling. We have the Fluff twins in here. I think they're behind here. Let me see. Gotta make my way around. Oh, I hear Shiloh. Did you like the snow? You wanna come? You can stay out and lick the snow if you want. So anyways, the Fluff twins' mom is inside in our bedroom, and I'm gonna go get some video of her. Their other sibling, they're trying to catch. I'm gonna put him in there, and of course I always add more blankets. So just right now I have them in the wash because I washed them after the mom kitty was in there. And then I ordered one of those soft ordered one of those soft big soft cages, like a pet playpen. And I'm going to put the other mama in that so she can give birth nice and comfy as well. Shadow! Did you just have fun in the snow? Did you have fun in the snow? Shadow? Shadow! Alright, let me give her breakfast.
It doesn't taste like anything. Maybe ice. I have to try all the pills. Hey, dog. You want some? Hey, shut. How's it taste? Don't. No, that's dirty.
She don't care. She eats cat poop.
Does it taste
Super!
My mouth feels weird now. Oh, what's that? Super.
Super!
Come, Super, come on.
Super!
Come here, Super. He never leaves the yard. He should be good.
Super!
He doesn't like the dog. You want to check out the snow? Look at it. It's okay. Hi, Super. You want me to put him out there?
No, let him do it on his own. Ooh. Super! The snow.
Throw it out for me. You like it, Super? In my room somewhere. I think he likes it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go get Molly out here.